I'm delighted to be with my colleague, Dr. Rob Weiss, who's going to tell us about an exciting new offering for couples.
Hey, thanks, Tammy. Folks, I have had the opportunity to teach all over the world for therapists and professionals. I teach about addiction, I teach about sexuality, I teach about couples conflict and resolution. And some of you read my books understand the concepts, but what I wanted to do is bring it to you live. And so I'm taking this work that I've brought to professionals all over the world, and I've created a 5-part series for you folks, you couples, to understand sort of in your heads the whole process of what the addiction's about, what is it like on the inside, and what is the healing process all about. And I really hope that you'll come because I think it will give you a much broader understanding and an opportunity to chat with me about the issues that we deal with every day.
So they've listened to your lectures, they've gotten some education, but now they're looking for some practical tools to implement. What would be the next step?
Well, Tammy, I really appreciate you asking that too. So we thought about this, me and Tammy, and we thought, yes, you guys are going to get education, but what about the basics? How do you deal with conflict? How do you set boundaries? How do you grieve the relationship you thought you had? And so we tacked onto this a 6-part kind of hands-on series about how to work on in a educational way, in a homework way, really figure out the details of managing your relationship. And you can come hear me, or you can come attend the sort of hands-on practical part, or you can do both. We've set up the whole series so that you can get education and then hands-on work for your coupleship. And I think this is going to be really helpful for you, especially when we're sitting at home so much of the time.
More information on seekingintegrity.com. Stay tuned.
Come find me.